Here's cool Walkin bass. We have a lot of action here in the left hand, and it's gonna sound a little bit jazzy. One thing I want to get you used to is hearing this not as running, 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 walk. No, it's not gonna be like this. It's gonna be so jazzy, 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 jazz. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Walking, walking. All right, so here we go. I'm starting my right hand on F, A, and C. My left hand is on the low F. So here's our middle C for reference. Not this F, but this F. Okay, let's hear how the whole piece sounds like. Hold the right hand. To the low F. Now let's look at the left hand first. Our two on the low F, to E flat, D and C, F, E, D, C, F, G, turn to the A flat and then tuck your thumb to A, two on the B flat. Switch to F. Turn over A and B flat. C. On the black key, B flat, A flat, B flat. C. B flat, tuck your thumb to B. Cross over C, D, E, F. To the low F. Jump. And lastly, the right hand, F, A, and C. Hold that chord down. Next line. F, B flat, and D. Back to F, A, C. Keep your 5 right there and move your thumb over to E. 4 on the B flat. And lastly, move down to middle A and E flat. Hold this down.